Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to boost your views on your Facebook Marketplace listings. Alright, so I'm here on the Facebook homepage here, and you want to hover over into the middle to go to the Marketplace, which is where your listing is going to be. And wow, these are some nasty looking images here. Enough about that. Let's head over to your account. And here you're going to find your listings. Now, to boost the views on your listing, we're going to click on Boost Listing. This is different than renewing your listing. So the difference between the two is that renewing your listing, it's free and it's just going to renew it, make it back active in the search. It's not gonna physically push it out to people. So you can see here, renewing your listing will keep it active and help people discover it. So yeah, in a sense, it could get more views, but the other method of boosting, the paid method, will physically get you more views because you are paying for more views. It's basically like advertising. So this is the post here that I want to boost, and the reason why you might want to boost something. So I boost my listings if after a week the item doesn't sell or I don't get any inquiries from anyone messaging about it. If I didn't get any of that happening, then I'm going to want to boost the listing. I want it to reach more people and hopefully, get someone's attention and make that sale. So I'm going to click on Boost Listing. And like I said, it's basically like a Facebook sponsored ad, and they've made it really easy for you to choose different options. What they have for you initially is a 3-day campaign, right? So it's a 3-day campaign at $4, and the estimated reach is between 165 to 477 people. And then you've got $8, and there's a little bit more estimated reach. And then as you go higher, obviously it's more reach. You can see here on the left will show the ad preview. So it's going to show what it looks like with the main photo. Make sure that you have the best photo of the product because it is going on the advertisement and you want, that's the initial photo that people are going to see to click. So make sure it's the best one. And then it says here that there's a payment summary. Your ad will run for 3 days. Total budget, $4. I'm here in Canada, so that's why it's in Canadian. If you want longer than 3 days duration, click on Select Custom Budget and Duration, and you can up the days here. So if I want $4, and you can see here that this error comes up, it basically means that the minimum budget is $1.28 per day. So what that means is I need to increase the actual ad spend money. So if I raise it to $6, then that error goes away. So to boost for 4 days, it's going to cost $6, and the estimated reach is between 61 to 175 people. Now, another thing that you want to take into account is how much profit you're actually going to get on the item. So you don't want to boost a listing if the item is like $10, $20. You want to make sure that you're boosting something that you have a good profit on. In this case, this is my mom's cell phone that she wants me to sell randomly, so I'm okay with spending this money because it's pretty much just going to be a good amount of profit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for 5 days, and then again, this error thing's going to come up and I got to move it up to the $8. And let's see here, $10. I want to put $10 for 5 days, and it's going to have an estimated reach of 77 to 224 people per day. All right, so I'm good with the image there. The ad spend will be $10. The payment method down here, you're going to need to attach either a credit card or something like a PayPal. And then when you're done, click Promote Now. It's going to say submitting your ad. And then you'll see here your ad is being created will let you know if the ad meets the advertising policies. And they're usually pretty fast about this. So it'll say status in review, budget, and then your payment method. So I'm just going to click go to your listings. And I just refreshed the page here, and you'll see that the boost is pending review. And once it's approved, you'll see that it has been activated, and the ad will start going for the 5 days for the $10, and you'll be able to see how much reach the ad has got to. All right, so just a quick update here. It's been about 30 minutes, and the boost has been approved, and you'll see here that it now says boosted until February 24th. You can also click on this view insights, and this is the performance dashboard, and it literally just got approved, so it's only reached like 2 people. It'll say that it's active, the total budget is $10. Now, if for whatever reason you end up selling it before the 5 days duration, so let's say I sell it on day 2 or something, you can go and turn this off. So you can see that it says active here. If I click on this, it's going to turn the ad off. And then that way you don't end up spending the full amount of ad spend if you've already sold it. And you'll see here the audience. It's going to show you a little bit more of the analytics, like the age range, men versus women. So don't get scared here. It's just going to say your bill will arrive depending on which comes first. If you spend $70 or the February 24th date, which is the 5 days duration. So don't worry, you don't have to spend $70. This ad is only for $10, and they're not going to spend any more than that. If you scroll down, you can see here, it says reach more people. They give you the option to add more to the budget. So this first one here, it says add $2 and an extra day to get potentially an extra 40 to 116 people for the reach. And then you see the current budget is $10, and then the added new budget, if I choose that, would be $2 extra. So it depends on how it's going, how the ad is performing. Usually I let it run out completely before I start doing a new ad campaign. If after the 5 days it hasn't sold, I'll likely change something. So I might try a different picture or try a different title or change the price. So that was just a quick update after it gets approved. So that is how you boost your views on a Facebook Marketplace listing. Make sure that before you boost the listing that you're going to have a good amount of profit minus the ad spend that you're paying for. If you want to check out how to actually create a listing in Facebook Marketplace, I will have that video down in the description below. So if this video was helpful, please let us know by giving us a like, a comment, or a subscribe. All that would be very much appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.